Hey everyone, and welcome to my 6th devlog. I've actually tried recording this a bunch of times, but I feel like it could have been a little better. So, I haven't really gone through a lot this week. I wanted to get this out pretty quick, that's why it's only been a few days. Mostly because I'm working on something pretty big for the game, and that's something I want to show you next week, so I just want to focus on that. So, uh, I did make a little time lapse that I thought was cool, so I'll quickly explain it, then I'll show it. So, it's me adding a quest with the new system that I built, the quest system. It is a little complicated, not complicated, it's a little long. If I had scriptable objects, it would be much faster. I did try use scriptable objects, but I ran through a couple issues, especially with the saving, so when I refactor my code, I'll definitely try to get scriptable objects working. But for now it works, and it doesn't really affect performance, so I'm happy with it. I don't mind spending a bit of extra time to write it down, as long as it doesn't affect performance too much. So, I'll show you that now, and then I'll continue the video after. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that little time lapse. I'll go through what else I've done this week. So, I've now added a new class of resources called Scrap. So, if you go into your bag, you can see here. I do have to fix that font, that's fine, it's an easy fix. But with plastic, so when you go fishing, you have 25%, it's only 5 seconds due to me testing. You have 25% chance to get plastic. That time I didn't get it. We'll try one more time if that doesn't work. I know it's 25% chance, but I mean, I'm not sure if I'll get it. Okay, didn't get it again. That's fine. What I'm thinking is, because plastic is going to be used for building, I don't know if I should say that, because maybe I should have let people think it was going to be a junk object. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I think what I'm going to do is, for the harder fish you catch, you get more chance of getting plastic, because you will use quite a bit of plastic in the future. So right now, I haven't done any balancing whatsoever. Everything drops the same, times all different. I haven't done any balancing for the game. But the plan is to use plastic as a resource, which you can use to build. There'll probably be more than one, well, there will be more than one scrap object. I'm not going to go through it today. I haven't made them yet, but I'm planning to. Speaking of, with crafting, I'm planning on actually making the system a lot deeper. So there's maybe 10 recipes. I've just wrote down a bunch of different recipe ideas and different levels of crafting. So if you have this object, then you can craft this, like a tree of crafting. It is a little difficult with mobile though, just for the fact that I don't know how I want the crafting menu to look, because I don't want it littered with objects. I was thinking of doing little pictures here so you can filter out the object, but even then it didn't look very good. If anyone has any ideas, please let me know. I would really like to hear any sort of input you guys have. Yeah, there's another thing I've been working on that I'm not going to show you this week, I'll show next week. And lastly, there is now status effects. So what that means is, say I have raw chicken, I get food poison. So that affects my thirst, and what happens is, yeah, it just reduces my thirst. And that is good, because now you have more motivation to cook. And on top of that, cooking will increase your, what do you call it? Cooking will have more hunger effects. Sorry, I'm also looking in my little notebook to see what changes I've made. When you cook something, it will give you more it'll fill your food bar up, if that makes sense. Okay, so another status effect I've done is sleepy. So if you are tired, I better eat. I have done it with all the raw food. I am thinking of getting rid of it for certain fish, because obviously you can eat salmon raw. But then again, I'm not too sure. I have to look into see how sushi's done, because I want sushi to be a recipe, so you can use raw fish in that case. But I think right now all of the raw foods in the raw forms will give you food poisoning. So we'll see where I go with that. But yeah. Okay, so when you're tired, you are super sleepy, and you can be both tired and sick. What I've done is, I do have to fix that little overlap. I'm not making it completely decrease your thirst, just due to the fact I get that you can probably use it to farm your hunger, but it wouldn't be very fun if you lost all of your needs and then you had to go refill one and then you had to go refill one. I feel like that would be a bit of a pain. So right now it doesn't completely get rid of your thirst. Maybe I will, I haven't decided yet, but for now this is how it is. So when you're tired, you don't get any negative debuffs, it's just to let you know you're tired. So once you sleep, that goes away. And yeah, that's really all I've done so far the last few days. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Yeah, have a great day. Don't forget to comment, give me some feedback. I know this video is a bit rough, it was kind of spur in the moment. Just figured I'd make a video, get it out there. So, have a great day. Thanks for watching.